Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to discuss about paid membership. YouTube released paid membership recently only in India. Normally the form of paid membership is like a premium membership. So far we accessing everything free in YouTube. But you can see if you searching for a music or a movie, you can see some money in that. If you pay that amount, you can see that full movie like that. So YouTube introduced a premium membership scheme in that you can see that movie freely. So you used to pay the subscription before that, like Hotstar, Netflix. You used to be a prime members in that, or monthly or yearly basis. If you do that, you can get many benefits in that. For example, if you are a YouTube channel owner, you can get many benefits. Basic is 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours views. Channel, you no need to monetize it that using 1000 subscriber or 4000 hours. Then additional is they promote your video. For example, if you are creating a working tool manual, for example, in this case, you are creating a SolidWorks tutorial means if anyone search SolidWorks in YouTube, your video became first. Based on your membership, it will alternate your position in the viewing list. So that is why membership is important in YouTube now. And nowadays many of the people using YouTube, if they become a prime membership means they get more benefit in that. For example, you can pay membership in available locations, like that. If you are a American means you can pay in US dollars. If you are Indian means you can pay in rupees. And based on your location you can view the YouTube trend in different way. The simple thing is they can refund also, because this is a demo version, this is a beta version of paid membership. So if you don't interested, get your refund also. You can price the YouTube channel or YouTube viewing scheme. If you are a paid membership means you can give a parental control in YouTube, so your kids not use any kind of adult videos or see adult videos in YouTube. So parental control you can use by premium membership also. You can cancel anytime or you can upgrade your paid membership also. So it's introduced now only, so the data is very small. After 2 months I released a complete detailed video of paid membership of YouTube. Thank you.